My favorite hobby. My favorite hobby is painting. I love using bright colors and creating beautiful pictures. Today, I set up my easel in the backyard. I looked at the flowers and trees for inspiration. With my brush in hand, I painted a big tree with green leaves and colorful flowers. I felt like an artist. As I painted, I listened to the birds singing, and it made me smile. I mixed colors to make the perfect shade of blue for the sky. Sometimes I make a mess, but that's okay because it's all part of creating. When I finished my painting, I felt proud of my work. I showed it to my family, and they loved it. Painting helps me express my feelings and relax. I want to keep improving my skills and try new styles. I dream of having an art show one day.